The kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's a space where memories are simmered, stirred, and savored. It's where we break conventions and make new traditions, where lessons are learned and new flavors are explored, where we share the slicing and dicing, the twists of lime and the dashes of salt that make every day more exciting. This is a place where everyone can contribute, because pitching in is just part of the fun. And with the right tools, you can make everything taste good. That's why Kraus has created the ultimate workstation sink, with functional accessories to inspire your creativity and enough room for everyone to get hands-on. So you can experiment with new recipes, let your culinary imagination run wild, and reward yourself with a delicious meal. From pro chefs to home chefs, the Kraus Workstation Sink will take you from meal prep to cleanup with ease, so you can focus on being together and sharing the moments that matter most.